heard of that about waitlist. You need to join, you need to put your email, and you need to be part of the game. Okay, so 1Money Network Waitlist. Now be among the first to learn about early access and exclusive launch promotion. So what do you need to do in order to join in this offer that I'm going to showing you? You need to definitely go through this link that I put on in here and copy it, paste into your browser. Then your browser will be look like this. I'm showing you. This is the 1Money, the world's most fastest and stablecoin payment network. Okay, stablecoin will be the foundations for a new modernized global financial system. 1Money is building the first payment network exclusively designed for stablecoins. So I put my email in here. You can too put your email, then simply hit the join waitlist and you need to CAPTCHA. So select bicycle. Instead of select it, just select bicycle in here. So I'm just clicking next, and here is motorcycle. I'll put on. Now simply hit the join waitlist. Alright, you have been added. Okay, as simple as that. Probably it makes sense. You don't yet join in our Telegram channel. Definitely do. Because of here we share, a lot of stuff and people do comment about it. Hi there, could open this site first, could not open this site for the network first. Okay, they are getting help from joining in here. Okay, you can too. Okay.